Hello and welcome. So from next videos, we are going to make other mobile application, which is a color picker. I don't know if you're aware or not, but any color is made from combination of three color, which is red, green and blue. So if you add this color in any combination, you would see a different color. So let me just tell you how the application would look like. So this is how our application would look like. So if you see below, we have a 3 scale widget. So if I just pick any of this value and if I just move this guy like that, I can see the color is changing. So this scale widget is for red color. So if I just changing this value, I can see the color is changed. Now if I just pick the other guy, that means scale widget for green color, so I can see I can add green color in any combination. So from 0 to 255, I can select any range that I want for a green color. Now if I want that blue color, I want as, let's say 20 value from 255, so that I can do like this and I would have a different color. That means any color we can get from combination of these colors. Okay, so let's just say I would just say it's a 150 value from 255 for red color, 105 for green color, 163 for a blue color. Then we will have this kind of color. Okay, and you can also get the hex value of this color. So hex value is already written, that is 9E63 and A1. So if you want to verify whether it's correct or not, so I would just go to color picker and here we have this guy. Okay, so what value we had? We had value, let me just try to replace it here only. So I would just say 9E, then we have 63 and then we have A1. Okay, so this is the color we have and this was the same color we had in the mobile, right? So our application is working fine. So from next video, let's just try to make this application. So we'll see you there. Thank you.